Good morning, children. This lesson is of class 5 for the subject of mathematics, topic division, which is covered on page number 64 of your textbook, and it is submitted to you on 12th of July 2021. Now students, in the previous lesson we have discussed about the introduction of division. Today we will discuss some word problems based on division and some division facts. So let us start our topic. Now children, the first question is 47,33,850 bags of rice have to be equally stored in 19 godowns. It means we have to divide them equally. In how many godowns? 19 godowns. And how many bags will be stored in each godown? So now we have to find out that 47,33,850 bags we are having and 19 godowns we are having, and we have to find that bags, how many bags we can store in one godown. What we will do? We will do the division. So let us start. How can we do the division? 19 into 2, 38 we get. Now 17 minus 8, that is 9. 3 will come down, we get 93. 19 into 4 is 76. Now 13 minus 6 is 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. Now 3 comes down. Now 19 into 9, 171. 3 minus 1, 2. Then 8 comes down. 19 into 1, 19. Now 18 minus 9 is 9. Then 5 comes down. 19 into 5 is 95. So now 0 will come down. So 19 into 0 is 0. So how many bags we got? We get 2,49,150 bags. Clear? Next is 1,35,86,250 items are to be packed in containers, and each container is to contain 80 items. Means we are packing some items in containers, and each container has capacity to contain 80 items. So how many containers can be completely packed, and how many items after packing in containers will be left behind? So now total items we know, and items in one container we know. We have to find the number of containers. Let us do the division. So now 80 into 1 we got 80. 5 minus 0, 5. 13 minus 8, 5. 8 comes down. 80 into 6, 480. So now 8 minus 0 is 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. 6 comes down. 80 into 9, 720. Now this is 6. This will get 6. Now 2 comes down. 80 into 8, 640. 2 minus 0, 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now 5 comes down. 80 into 2, 160. So now we get 650. So 80 into 8, 640. So 10 is the remainder. Clear? Let us discuss some division facts. If a number is divided by itself, we always get 1. You can check here. If you divide 2 by 2, what do you get? you get 1. If you divide any number by itself only, you always get 1. For example, 123 divided 123 is 1. Then 4 crore 92 lakh 13,524. It's divided with the same, that itself. We get 1. Next is, if a number is divided by 1, we get the same number. So, 2 divided by 1 is 2. 48 divided by 1 is 48. See, we are dividing 2 by 1. 1, 2 is 2. So, what we get? We get the same number. Clear? Same here. 2 crore 10 lakh 41,312. If this number is divided by 1, we get the same number. Clear, children? Now take a break for 2 minutes and do the following question. 67 lakh 54,267 divided by what gives you the same number? So we have just done it. There will be 1. Now with what number divided by 1 gives you same number? That is, again this number will come here, because if this number comes here, we divide it by 1, we get the same number. Clear? Now children, let us discuss the estimation based on division. We have already discussed in addition also and subtraction also. So this is just a similar. Estimate 7,526 divided 325 by rounding to nearest 100. So now see here, 1s, 10s, 100. Now this is the digit in the circle. This is less than 5. It means we will do nothing here. 75. Now after underlined digits, remember all the digits become 0. Yes. Now 325. 1s, 10s, 100. So this is less than 5. So this will become 300. Now we have to divide it. So what we get? We get 250. Now in the next question we have to do the estimation of 6,446 by divided by 433 to the nearest tens. So now 6,446 we are having, this is 1s, 10s, this is more than 5. So add 5 here, we get 6 for 5, and after underlined digit all the digits become 0 only. Then we have 433. 1s, 10s. This is less than 5. So no need to do it here. We get 430. Now we will divide 6,450 by 430. This is 1, 430. 1, 2, 0 comes down. 430 into 5, 2150. You can check here. 430 into 5, we get 2150. So what is the final answer? We get 15. Clear? Next is estimate to nearest 100. 5,572. 1s, 10s, 100. This is more than 5. So add 1 here. We get 5, 6. And after underlined digit, all the digits become 0. Now 673. 1s, 10s, 100. Underlined it. See here. This is more than 5. So add 1 here. Now we have to divide 5600 by 700. So what we get? Sorry, this is 70. So what we get? We get 80. Clear? Now the homework is you have to do exercise 5.45 in the book, exercise 5.6, only question 1 and 2 you have to do. Question number 3 is deleted. Fine? Thank you, children.